to online learning because I saw a blossoming excitement for education. Our state certified teachers customize lessons.
Junior snoring. I can only imagine how he's gonna be when he gets older.
Please put that on the other thing.
On what, Facebook?
Like he been working hard on it.